Evaluate 3 cos square 30 minus 6 cosec square 30 by tan square 60. See, these values you'll get from the trigonometry table. So here in this video I'll substitute the values directly. So 3 cos 30 whole square. See, cos 30 value is 1 by 2, sorry, root 3 by 2 minus 6 cosec 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, so cosec 30 is 2 whole square by tan 60. Tan 60 value is root 3 whole square. Now if I'll simplify this further, 3 root 3 whole square is 3, 2 square is 4 minus 6 into 4 by root 3 whole square is 3. Now 3 times 3, 9 by 4 minus 6 into 4, 24 upon 3. So main by division part right here. Right? Now in the numerator part, if we'll take LCM, in the numerator LCM is 4. See here already 4, so I'll write 9. Here I'll multiply with 4. So here as it is 9. So when I'll multiply with 4, I'll get 96 by 3. So 9 minus 96 minus 87 by 4 divided by 3. 3 I can write as 3 by 1. So minus 87 by 4 times, this will become reciprocal, 1 by 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 9. So the final answer is minus 29 upon 4.